welcome back to another video. And if you guys can't tell by the title of this video, we are updating the delsol and giving it a little bit of pop. You guys are probably wondering, what am I wearing? I'm wearing a green hat, an orange sweater, you know, black pants, and that is because I am gonna go ahead and finally get to painting the brake calipers on the delsol. Now this has been a long time coming. It's just that I've been lazy and I didn't want to do it, and the weather was too cold for me to really do it. But since today seems like a nice sunny beautiful day, I figured, hey, why not? It's the perfect time now to do this to the delsol, you know, before I don't feel like doing it anymore. Look at those brake calipers. Like, it is terrible. It needs to be updated. The brakes need to be changed, but I'll do that in another video. I'll make a separate video for that. Right now we're gonna focus on cleaning this up and making it, give it a nice little pop. All right, so let me show you everything that I got, just in case if you guys do want to do this yourself. I went ahead and got some 600 grit sandpaper, some 80 grit. Then we also have primer right here. We got our color that we're gonna do, which is yellow. I feel like that's gonna look really good against the blue. We got our clear coat here. We got some acetone here to clean. And of course we got our brake cleaner. And last but not least, we got ourselves a Scott towel. But in this video, I'm not gonna do every single wheel for you guys. I'm not gonna show everything. I'm just gonna do one wheel for you guys, and then the rest of it I'm gonna do on my own time so that it's a lot faster. Anyway, let me start jacking up the car, put it up, and then we'll go begin with taking off the wheel. So this is actually probably going to be a 2-day video. Right now it's below the recommended, you know, temperature to really paint the capillars right now, or for the paint to come out really well. And Sunday it should be above 10 degrees, so we should be absolutely good to paint then. What I am going to do right now is actually I'm going to go ahead and grind and take off all this rust, surface rust off of the calipers, take it off of all the calipers, sand all the calipers down, and then we'll continue on Sunday, and then we'll just go ahead and do the paint, which is the easiest part of the process. All right guys, so check it out. We sanded it down as much as I could possibly get it. That's as good as it's gonna get. It looks way better already. Just for comparison, look at this side and now look at this side. It's a night and day difference. But for now, what I'm gonna do next is I'm gonna hit it with some brake cleaner. I also have that acetone, which I won't use. I'll use it on when I pick up back the camera on Sunday before I paint it. I'll go ahead and put that down. But for the meantime, we're gonna go ahead and use this. Look at my ear right now. Sprayed it with the brake cleaner. Now it's looking 10 times better. I cannot wait to paint this thing. It's gonna be looking absolutely amazing. I'm gonna love the bright yellow on this car. I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of the other 3 tires off camera, and then I'm gonna pick up back this camera on Sunday, and that's when we'll pick up this video and do the primer, the paint, and the clear coat. It's officially Sunday, so now it is nice and beautiful outside. So now we can go ahead and get to painting these brake calipers. But before I go ahead and do that, I'm gonna go ahead and use the acetone to wipe down the brake calipers one final time, and then that's when we'll go ahead and start hitting it with the primer, and then of course the paint color, and then the clear coat last. And if I remember correctly, as the instructions say, you have to wait 10 minutes before putting the next coat, so 10 minutes in between each coat, and we should be good there. But yeah, let's go ahead, start wiping these down with the acetone, and then we'll see the final result, and hopefully, fingers crossed, it turns out good. So we're gonna go with the primer. Let's go. So now we're gonna go ahead, wait 10 minutes, and then we're gonna go ahead with the second coat. So we just went ahead and did the 3 coats of primer, did 2 light coats and then 1 medium coat. So now it's just to let it sit and dry for about 10 minutes, and then we can go ahead and hit it with the yellow. Same with this one, we're gonna do 2 very light coats, and then the last coat will be, of course, a little bit heavier. And if I'm not satisfied with it, we'll go ahead and do a 4th coat, but I'm pretty sure 3 coats should be enough, but even still. Did the final coat, and look at that. That looks so much better. So in total I did 5 coats. I did 1 off camera, I think 1 or 2 off camera because it was a little bit too light, but now I'm absolutely happy with the way it looks. What that leaves next is to do the clear coat, so I'm going to go ahead and hit it with 2 coats of clear coat, and then we should be good. So now we just got 1 final clear coat to do. Alright guys, so check this out. It looks absolutely amazing. Absolutely beautiful. We got the rears back here done, got both sides, and then of course we got up at the front too. Now just imagine it with some new brake pads and rotors. It's gonna look absolutely insane. Now in case you guys want to use exactly what I used, I got the brake cleaner and I got the acetone for cleaning the capillars. Obviously we got the sandpaper as well. Get like 230 and 600 grit and you should be good. Then get some primer, get whatever color you choose. I just went with yellow because it looked really good on my car. And then of course get some clear coat, and of course have some shop towels too. Other than that, that is all that you need in order to do this to your car. It definitely gives the delsol a lot more pop, especially with that white and blue. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. What do you guys think I should do next? I'm kind of thinking maybe the valve cover next. Match it, you know, with yellow since I already have the stuff here. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And be sure to stay tuned for more videos because this summer we're trying to do as much as we possibly can to this thing. I will catch you in the next one. Peace out. Stay humble. Stay blessed. Peace. Get the paint on my hand. Later.